Hello student, myself Kamal Singh, your physics teacher. Today I will explain the question and answer that have left yesterday. So let's start now. So first question, what will be the magnitude vector A cross vector B equal to vector A dot vector B? So answer of this question is when the angle between A and B is 45. Now next question, is velocity of light a vector or a scalar quantity? So right answer of this question is velocity of light is a scalar. It is same in all direction and it cannot be resolved into component. Now next question, the velocity of a body at the highest point of its path is not zero. If so, how is it projected? So answer of this question is it is projected at an angle. Next question, two bodies are projected at angle theta and 90 minus theta with the same velocity u. What is the sum of the heights reached by them? So answer of this question is u square upon 2g. Next question, in order to project a body for maximum range, what is the condition? So answer of this question is the body should be projected at an angle of 45 degree to be horizontal. Next question, a body is dropped down from the window of a train. Will its time of fall remain the same if the train is stationary, moving with uniform speed v or moving with acceleration a? So answer of this question is yes. Next question, two bodies are thrown with the same initial velocity at an angle alpha and 90 minus alpha with the horizontal. What will be the ratio of maximum heights attained by them? What of the horizontal ranges? So answer of this question is the ratio of height will be h1 upon h2 equal to 10 square alpha, and ratio of ranges will be r1 upon r2 equal to 1 ratio 1. So now next question, why does the direction of motion of a projectile become horizontal at the highest point of the trajectory? So answer of this question is that vertical velocity at that point is 0. So that's enough for today. If you have any query, so you can ask later. Thank you.